Who cares if you're a treasure hunter? I'm a viewer hunter. Hey everybody, it's Star Wars Fan 71. And in the last part, we got our butts kicked by an illegal Lapidash. What's a Lapidash? And this might actually not see the light of day. I'm only recording this because Google Chrome crashed last night when I had uploaded this part already, so I'm not sure. It was in the middle of processing this, and I'm just not sure if the other one will actually upload. It'd be a shame if it didn't upload because that had some awesome commentary. Places and people. Wake up!
There's a strawberry out.
Wake up!
I'm already awake.
Not you. Oh my gosh, sometimes his 2 cents isn't needed.
Or, it is.
Wake up! Why can't I just... It'd be nice if I could just yell into the mic and then make him wake up. I actually thought that used to work, because quite a few times I'd yell at my Pokemon whenever it was asleep into the mic, and it would always wake up.
Wow.
But I tried that like a 5th time and it didn't wake up, so I thought those other 4 times were just flukes. And I should really go to the Pokemon Center. Good thing I don't have a Krogan. Knock off. No. Knock off is not a very good move. Program. Yeah.
I mean, out of all the times the Brock went to go to get the flip of the barrel, and pulled back or something.
And he's always hitting the backside.
Oh, he does have a
Poison jab. I don't want to be hitting the butt by it.
Well, yeah, technically the spine is technically around the back of the spine. I mean, sure, it hurts, but you know, they paralyze you. If you hit somebody hard enough in the back of the spine,
You will paralyze them.
you paralyze them. Because,
Oh yeah, new
why?
Pokemon en route. Oh.
A Kodak?
No, Croagunk's not for a little while. But new Pokemon on this route. We will start with Lickitung. Lickitung is your very generic normal type. It doesn't really have a lot that sets itself away from other normal types. I just think it's too lackluster to actually be a good Pokemon. It's very beastie. At least it's not bugs.
So it does have bad breath. So you do have some mental issues.
But, I think it's just too generic. When it levels up learning, Rollout, it'll evolve into Licky Licky, which still it makes it a very generic mixed wall. Nothing that really sets it apart from other normal types, and you can find a lot better walls in the normal types than Licky Licky. Next up is one of my favorite Pokemon, Scyther. Scyther is very fast, hits very hard.
So what I recommend is
And, if you train it holding in a metal coat, it evolves into a Scizor, which Scizor actually does change quite a bit. It becomes a lot, it still is very offensive, but it loses a lot of its speed. But that doesn't mean it's not a good Pokemon. It's a very good physical tank. It can hit hard, and it can dish it out. So, no, it's a trainer battle. Next up is Meryl. I know I'm going to get a lot of hate mail for talking about this, but Meryl starts out as an Azurill, which I'm not even sure you can catch in the wild, but I'm still going to talk about it. Azurill is a normal type that I have to talk about this. Its gender ratio is 25% male, 75% female. When it evolves into a Meryl, it gets a 50-50 gender ratio.
You know, I have a little theory on that 50-50,
After
gender
females
ratio.
grow a dick?
Yeah, hermaphrodites. I mean, just like humans, every 1 out of 8 children born that are, say, you think would be females, happen to be hermaphrodites. If you know the fact of that, so it's possible same thing with the males.
Azuril's level evolved by having high enough happiness. At level 18, Meryl evolves into a Azurill, which still makes it your generic water type. It has a lot of defense. It's a very good mixed wall. And but I would suggest the ability mix huge power. That way you can make it a mixed wall and a physical, not really a sweeper because it's not fast at all. But if you really need to catch one Pokemon on this route that you haven't been able to catch anywhere else, I'd go with Scyther. Scyther for the win, baby. Something kind of funny about me and Beautiful Joe. I used to think it was Beautiful Joe. Yeah, there's a game called Beautiful Joe. But whenever anybody said it, I thought they were saying Beautiful Joe.
He's a very good Sugar Tyler with Beautifly. He can't even spell Beautifly.
No offense to you, Sugar. I'm probably your biggest fan. I've even gone through the torture of watching your Mother 1 walkthrough. That was, no offense, but that was really bad.
I've only seen a few videos, but you know what? Hey, I don't really much care. I'm generically like this.
Yay, he's a witty. He's a generic, normal person.
No, I'm a generic asshole.
So that would make you a dark type?
Pretty much.
Oh well, I like most dark types.
I'm physical, so you can probably consider me a fighting type.
A dark fighting type?
That's actually not a bad idea for Pokemon.
Yeah, it would have a lot of weaknesses, but
It would have some weaknesses, but at the same time, its attacks and probably
it'd become a really good mixed attacker, which I don't think there really is a mixed attacker in the ice type. The Sneasel family isn't mixed attacker, which is weird.
Hey, Mitch, I've been watching this, and there's an idea for you. Make a dark fighting type.
Abgoria.
When it comes to dark types, I know that they're mostly around like ghost type Pokemon or something, or like psychic type Pokemon, at least that's what I noticed.
No, I'm gonna see if a Abomasnow is a mixed attacker, but I think he's more physically oriented. Nope. He's a perfectly balanced mixed attacker. And he's got not too shabby on both defenses. He's got lots of opportunities. I shouldn't be going over Pokemon we're not gonna get for like badges, you mean. For like 3 more badges. Let's see what this is. Hyper Potion. I don't need it. I have Moo Moo Milk. Yeah. No, it didn't.
Most of the Pokemon Japanese Sensors, and like Moo Moo Milk is one of them. If you look up the original and then look up the American version card.
What's so bad about Moo Moo Milk? It's Miltank milk.
Supposedly is supposedly America is the company here in America that was distributing it, thought that it promoted bestiality or whatnot. So
Cow! Everybody drinks cow milk.
I don't know. It was weird.
It's stupid. It's like Proton John.
Well,
All offense intended, Proton John.
Well, Proton John can be a dick sometimes. He doesn't upload much, so you know what? Who cares? I know. You
And
can apologize, but you know what? Hey, if I have to, I will go on my channel and send an apology if he tries and demands it. Otherwise, I'll just laugh in his face.
meet Josh Jackson, his boy Sega, daughter Johnny, and Tim, his wife.
Another reference to the Runaway Guys. I always knew that Proton John wore pants. He didn't act like one. Probably had a special name for him as well.
Oh my gosh. But the Runaway Guys are 3 great Let's Players right now, and Proton John.
More on Proton John. I bet that he also goes to some sort of public school or the YMCA pool. probably has normal guy, swim shorts and a shirt on, just to hide the bikini he's wearing under it.
Okay, I think we're going just a little too far.
I can go as far as I want.
Not on my video.
Oh, well, that's true.
Bye-bye. I love the mocked up animation, though. He's like, put your right foot in and your right foot out. You thrust your arms back and forth. They really shouldn't have gone over Obama Snow. Next thing you know, I'll be going over, like...
Wait, what's the Pokemon name?
Obama Snow?
Obama Snow?
No, Obama Snow.
It sounded like you said Obama Snow.
I know.
Why is there a Pokemon named after him?
Actually, no. This game was released in... Pokemon Diamond and Pearl was released a long time before Obama was a politician. Or at least a noteworthy politician. What? I'm looking at Azumarill's, its origin, and Bulbapedia says it may be based on a combination of a rabbit and a beach ball. Or possibly a flotation device or a life buoy. Yeah, I don't get that. Stop using D-Tac. At least use Protect. Because that's actually a better move, and you failed. And didn't. What do we have here? Besides a couple of guys just dissing Proton John. TM34 Shockwave.
You did see Proton John. I mean, I was dissing him. I've only watched like one or two videos, but you know what? Hey, I got a right to diss.
Yeah, freedom of speech wasn't made for no reason. Go America!
I'm not gonna make my comment on that.
I'll see you guys next time. This video's getting a little long.